Welcome to this tutorial on troubleshooting Alchemy REST API. Alchemy is a powerful platform that provides a suite of APIs for building blockchain-based applications. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot common issues that may arise when using the Alchemy REST API. First, let's start with the basics. The Alchemy REST API is a web service that allows you to interact with the blockchain using standard HTTP requests. To use the API, you need to have an Alchemy account and a project set up. Once you have your project set up, you can start making API requests to perform various actions such as fetching blockchain data, sending transactions, and more. To troubleshoot issues with the Alchemy REST API, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your API credentials. Make sure you are using the correct API key and that it has not expired. You can find your API key in the Alchemy dashboard under the project settings. Step 2. Verify your API endpoint. Ensure that you are using the correct API endpoint for your project. The endpoint should be in the format of HTTPS. eth-mainnet.alchemyapi.io/v2/your-api-key. Step 3. Check the API request. Verify that the API request is correctly formatted and that all required parameters are included. You can use tools such as Postman or curl to test your API requests. Step 4. Check the error message. If you are receiving an error message, read it carefully and try to understand what it is telling you. Alchemy provides detailed error messages that can help you identify the issue. Step 5. Check the Alchemy status page. If you are experiencing issues with the API, check the Alchemy status page to see if there are any known issues or maintenance scheduled. Some common issues that you may encounter when using the Alchemy REST API include invalid API keys, invalid API endpoints, and rate limiting. To avoid these issues, make sure to use the correct API key and endpoint, and ensure that you are not exceeding the rate limit. Best practices for troubleshooting the Alchemy REST API include testing your API requests using tools such as Postman or curl, checking the Alchemy documentation for examples and code snippets, and reaching out to the Alchemy support team if you are unable to resolve the issue on your own. In conclusion, troubleshooting the Alchemy REST API requires a systematic approach that involves checking your API credentials, verifying your API endpoint, checking the API request, checking the error message, and checking the Alchemy status page. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve issues with the Alchemy REST API and get back to building your blockchain-based application.